Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 257 named binary tree paths. In this problem, we are given the root of a binary tree and we have to return all root to leaf paths in any order. And here, a leaf is a node with no children. So let's consider the first example. The root is 1, which is 2 children, 2 and 3. And 2 also has 1 children, which is 5. Now, there are 2 leaves, which is 5 and 3. So, one path is 1 to 5, which is root 1 to root leaf 5. And another path is 1 to 3. So, there are 2 possible paths. So, we have to return it. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now, let's move on to the algorithm. Now, to understand the algorithm, we have taken this example. Here, the root is 1, which has 2 children, 3 and 4. And 3 has 2 children, 5 and 6. Now, we have to return all of the root to leaf path. So, there are 3 paths. One is this, 1 to 5. One is this, 1 to 6. And one is this, 1 to 4. So, we have to return these 3 paths. Now, the problem is how can we return it? The intuition is very simple. We have to run a DFS into the root. Now, in each of the cell, we will store the path between root to this cell. So here, the path between root to 1 is 1. Now, the call will be go into its left subtree. So here, the path will be 1, 2, 3. Now from 3, the call will be in left subtree and the path will be 1, 2, 3 from 5. Now here, this 5 is a leaf node. That means it does not have any of the left or right children. So we can store this path into one of the vector. Now the call will be go with parents 3. Now from 3, the call will be in this 6. So here, the path is, what is the path of the parent? It is 1, 2, 3. And now for the node 6, it will be 1, 2, 3 and 4, 6. Again, 6 is a leaf node. So we have to store this into a vector. Now we will get back to the 3 and we will get back to the 1. Now from 1, the call will be its right children, which is 4. So the path will be 1 to 4. Now from 4, as 4 is the leaf node, so we have to store 1 to 4 into a separate vector. And again, the call will be in its root, which is 1. Now from 1, we will return. And this is how basically we're going to solve this problem by using the depth first search technique. And overall time complexity of this problem is big O of n. And overall space complexity is also big O of n. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. We are given a function named binary tree parts, which will return a vector of strings in the parameter of root. Now, if root is null, we have to return empty vector VC. Otherwise, we have to call a DFS function into the root and we will pass its value initially. Now, inside the DFS function, if current root is a leaf node, that means it does not have any of the left or right children, we have to simply insert the string as to vector VC. Otherwise, if the root has the left children, we have to call the DFS function into the left children and upgrade the path, which will be s plus arrow sign plus string of left node's value. Similarly, if the root has right children, we have to recursively call the DFS function into the right children and upgrade the path, which will be s plus arrow sign plus string of right children value. Finally, we have to return the VC. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.